Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this tutorial we will be diving into the most crucial tool for monitoring project health, the RAG status. So let's break it down and see how to use it, when to use it, and why it is essential for your projects. Ready? Let's get started. First thing first, what is RAG status? So RAG stands for red, amber, green. So it's a visual project management tool, as you can see on the screen, and it is used to indicate the status of projects and different components. So here we have task name along with the task IDs, and we need to update the status of each task as not started yet, or WIP, or done. So first we need to create a drop down list. So there are two ways of doing that. First, as you can see on the screen, you can type all the options on the sheet itself and then create it. The other option is to put names here in the source tab itself, followed by comma. So not started yet, comma, WIP, comma, done. Okay. So now in similar fashion, it will appear in the drop down list. Now comes the conditional formatting. For that we need to select classic, and since we have text, so we will click on only format cell contains, and from here specific text, and then in this we will write WIP. And now we need to customize the cell, so we will select the amber color for WIP and click OK. And now wherever you will have this WIP as an option, that cell will get filled with amber color. So similarly we will follow the same steps. For done, we will color it as green, and for not started yet, we will color it as red. So some benefits of using this RAG status in your project management is that since it has different colors on it, it enhances the visibility, provides a clear visual representation of project health, and it also proactively help you to identify and mitigate the risks early. And the third thing is focus. It enables better resource allocation and prioritization. So where you have not started yet as a status, you can give more attention to that and see why it is not starting. So things like that, it helps you to track. So, and that's a wrap on RAG status. Implement this simple yet, I would say, powerful tool in your project and stay on top of everything. So thanks for watching. That's it. Thanks for watching.